Everybody, welcome back to the Miniac, and today I have finally been able to obtain some video of the 2020 or 2021 Mini John Cooper Works GP3 at the LA Auto Show. Now, I'm not there personally, so I can't actually go see the car, but this is the closest I can get to video right now until corporate decides to release some video for me to share with you all. So, I'm going to put this in a split screen here so that you can see it. But it's pretty good video. Unfortunately, it was done in portrait mode, so I have to work with what I get. But I hope you enjoy it, and let's get to it. So anyway, as you can see, it's a pretty fantastic looking vehicle. The detailing looks phenomenal. It's a great looking car. Now, whether I get to drive one is a matter of whether the customers order it or not. So far there's at least one or two or three possibly coming to this local dealership that I'm at. So hopefully I get to drive at least one of those. Otherwise, the other option is I've been invited to drive one when it comes out at a dealership up in Boston. So I'd probably have to fly up there in order to do that. But that might be an interesting one as well. But otherwise, good looking vehicle. I'd love to have one. Unfortunately, it's a little out of my price range, or I should say a lot on my price range, and I'm just a starting out YouTuber, so I don't make that much money. But I'm looking forward to seeing it, and I possibly have another Mini in the future that's going to be even better than what I currently have. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like below. Don't forget to comment. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel, as I upload videos every Monday and Friday at 2 p.m. So until next time, I'm just going to remind you all that life is too short to drive a boring car. So as always, drive a Mini. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I'd like to thank Mark Ryan for making this video possible, as he was attending the LA Auto Show at the time and was kind enough to send me the video of the car.